How to check OneDrive storage usage. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to check the storage usage, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find the Microsoft storage right here. So here you can find your storage usage right here. So 0.1 GB is used of 5 GB, so 1% of your storage has been used. So from here you can simply see the storage usage of your OneDrive device. And that's it. This is how you can check OneDrive storage usage. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.